Okay, so we're now at the Kawazu Daru, which is the 7 waterfalls of the Kawazu region.
In
Izu Peninsula. So we're going to explore each of these. It's about a 1 kilometer trail all along the river. And there's a story that's quite culturally significant for this region. And the story is called
Izu no Odoriko.
Izu no Odoriko, which is like the dancers of Izu. And we'll explain that as we go through this trail. But this is kind of important here, and we'll find statues and stories along the way. So come with us.
They have swimming pool and also onsen next to the waterfall.
Yeah. I wonder if the swimming pool is the cold water from the river. So this one is 30 meters tall, 7 meters wide, and it's called Odaru. It means big waterfall. So this statue is that of Izu no Odoriko, the dancer of Izu, and this story is an old Japanese story of a student from Tokyo travelling through the Izu region and meeting travelling performers along the way, and it's at the bottom of the Shizuoka Daru waterfall here. That's a fun name. Daru Daru Ban Ban Bashi.
I think it's because of the tongue.
It means Daru Daru Dan Dan Suspension Bridge. Daru is waterfall. Waterfall, waterfall. What is Dan Dan, darling?
Maybe the sound? I don't know.
Oh, like the sound of stepping
Yeah.
along the bridge. Dan 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 Dan. Daru Daru Dan Dan Bashi. It's like one of my favorite words now.
Yeah.
So we're now at one of the waterfalls called Hebi Daru. This is Snake Waterfall. And you see here is lots of different columnar joints. So about 25,000 years ago, a big lava flow came through this region, and when the lava cools down, it kind of cracks in this kind of hexagonal shape. Depending upon the type of cooling, you get different shapes of these joints, and those cracks propagate down, and eventually the water erodes away, and you get left with this beautiful geology.
What did you think about this Kawazu 7 waterfalls?
Yeah, it's really nice. The water is very fresh, very clear, and the waterfalls themselves are impressive in terms of beauty. They're very impressive. But also with the columnar joints and the lava flows, it adds an extra special beauty to it because of the geological beauty. So I think the combination of both the geological beauty and the kind of natural beauty.
Yeah, and
is
quality
really
of
good.
the water.
Yeah, the quality is amazing. I really want to just go and swim
Me too.
in it. It's really nice, especially on this day. It's a very hot, humid day today. So it's like the perfect day to go swimming in the water. Also, the path along here was really nice, very convenient.
And very easy to walk along the river.
There's a lot of steps, but it's a nice kind of well-kept wooden path mostly. And then also kind of near the start of the course, there's a little onsen trail as well. So the hot springs are along this river as well.
And swimming pool too.
And a swimming pool. So that is a place where you could definitely go and cool down for sure. So overall, definitely a 5 out of 5 stars. Yeah, really, really nice place. Maybe come back in a little cooler weather, very, very hot, to enjoy the outdoor hot springs earlier on in the park. Alright, so thanks everyone for joining us today. We hope you had a good time exploring the 7 waterfalls of the Kawazu area in Izu Peninsula. If you have any comments or suggestions about future videos or in this particular video, please put them in the section below. But until next time, stay curious.